Hey everyone, welcome to my little creative corner. Today, I'm showing you how I make my handmade polymer clay earrings. From start to finish, it all starts with polymer clay. I pick my colors, soften and condition the clay. Today, we are making a glitter white earrings. I have added glitter and liquid polymer clay for this. Once mixing is done, I start shaping it into fun designs. Each piece is totally unique. Whether it's bold patterns or soft pastels, we hand cut every piece with care and a little creativity. Once shaped, it's time to bake. Now time to pop them in the oven at a low temp, so they harden without losing detail. After baking, I sand and clean the pieces to smooth out the edges and make everything look polished. Then comes the final step, assembly. I add jump rings, studs or hooks depending on the style. And just like that, my handmade earrings are ready to shine. If you loved this process, like, comment and check out my shop in the description. Thanks.